Now my garden box, I want it 1 inch smaller than the window. And the first pieces I'm going to do is the end pieces. Now it's 32 1/4, so I'm going to cut my end pieces at 31 1/4. I'm making the box 24 inches deep. So I'm using 1x8, so I'm going to need 6 of them, 3 for each side. Now, 31 1/4. 31 1/4. Since I got 6 of these to cut, I'm putting a little stop here at the end of my saw table. That way there I don't have to measure every one, and they'll all be uniform. Now I'm going to cut my side pieces. And it's 78 1/2, so I have to minus 1 inch for the size of the box. I want it an inch smaller, so that drops it down to 77 1/2. Then I have to take 2 inches away for the end pieces, which are an inch thick. So that brings it down to 75 1/2 inch pieces. And I need 6 of them. 75 1/2 inches. Okay, now that I got my side and end pieces cut, I'm going to turn them into panels. Okay, I'm going to do the side panels first. Now this is really easy to do. Since my box is going to be 24 inches deep. 3. Okay, I got my pieces cut. Now I want to break it up into thirds, so I want my pieces like this. So 25, 25, 25 is 75. So we'll just go every 25 inches. This one's 50. 25, and 50. I just want to make a little center mark. These are 4 inches wide, so 2 inches center. Now, you don't want to be too fussy. This is only a garden box. Okay, I want the head of my nails on the face of the box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the cross pieces in here and line up my marks. Clamp in there. Let's see, line up that mark. Okay, now all my nails, I'm just going 1, 2, 3 across each board. I like to, when I'm bending my nails over, I like to go across the grain. So the grain running this way, I just bend them all that way. Oops, this one here loosened up. Okay, we'll put that nail right over that 2x4. And that'll keep them from backing off while I'm hammering her down. There. Okay, now the end pieces. 3. Line them up. Now these cross pieces on the end, I want these 1 inch on the edge. And this is for where my side pieces will fit in. So 1 inch and 1 inch. Okay, now I'm going to just tack these panels together. Stand up this side panel, and then stand up the end panel. Okay, everything fits good, so now I'm going to nail everything in place. See what I'm doing? I'm putting nails in here and nails that way. That way it locks this corner together nice. Okay, I got my garden box done. Now I got to move it up to where I want to put it in our garden. Ready, Susan? There. Okay, ready?